Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record Destiny 2 with OBS 2024. So you have to let's go to the OBS first. Then you have to click on the sources option, this plus icon. Then choose here display capture. You can name it any name you can like Destiny 2 capture. You can do it with it. Click on OK. Now click on OK again. It is starting to capturing your display. Now you have to click on just start recording. After click on start recording, you have to go to your PC and open your Destiny 2 first. If you click on Destiny 2, it will be showing here. Okay, what you have doing right now, it will be showing here. So after that, you have to click on stop recording after playing games. Then you can have the file by clicking here, show recordings. You can see your recording here. Okay, so this is how you can capture this is how you can record Destiny 2 with OBS Studio. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.